Yao Man-hyung, who goes by Yo-Yo, is a Hong Kong native. She majored in journalism at university before embarking on a career in television. In 2018, Yo-Yo quit her job to become an entrepreneur.
呢啲我哋嘅產品咯。
哦，呢個就係你而家創業做緊嘅嘢啦。
係啦，講下啦，我哋設計嘅時候係香港原創設計嘅。
In just 3 years, Yo-Yo has forged partnerships with 14 stores across Hong Kong and earned the trust of local consumers. Now, she has set her sights on a much larger market.
咁其實點解會有想去大灣區發展呢一個嘅諗法咧？開始
即係人口嚟講，香港嘅人口大概700萬，咁喺大灣區城市有8000萬人口啦，咁所以我哋睇下有冇多啲商機咁樣咯。
Yo-Yo is confident about the opportunities ahead and believes her strongest advantage is in the quality of her products.
覺得我哋其實係嗰個設計元素好重要，咁我哋設計夠靚啦，又夠有特色啦，跟住之後就係夠快，咁所以我覺得呢個係我哋取勝之道。
其實呢一樣嘢已經係香港嘅特色嘅，所有嘢都要講效率。
冇錯，
冇得慢嘅，基本上係。
With a keen eye for spotting market trends, Yo-Yo has continued expanding her product line, many of which showcase distinctive Hong Kong characteristics.
呢個系列都好受香港啊同埋一啲唔同地區嘅人嘅歡迎啊，內地朋友都會買嚟做手信。尤其是大灣區啦，都係有飲茶嘅文化啦，比較相近啊，咁所以我覺得其實大家都有個共鳴感喺度咯。
As a Hong Kong entrepreneur, Yo-Yo is also a part of the Greater Bay Area's growing development. She often shares her entrepreneurial journey with young people, both to offer guidance and to expand her network.
我自己都創業咗啦，我都發現好多年輕人都好想返內地去創業。咁我覺得既然我都行咗出嚟，我都希望有機會可以分享返自己嘅經驗俾人哋啦。